Hi guys, what's up? So, like I said, I'll be going live today with my very close friend Aditi, my dearest friend. Hi Mihir, what's up? My gym champ, my trainer is there, Abhijit. So, yes, are you guys excited? Let's take Aditi live with us right here. And let's bring her live. It's gonna be so much fun. So I'm waiting for Aditi to join me on my live. Yes, she's there.
Finally.
Aditi, what's up? I told you it's very easy.
Okay.
So
All
yes,
right. Finally. What are you doing? Oh my God. So good to see you after so long.
so good to see you. It's very, very long, I know. So let me tell you guys, Aditi has come live for the very first time.
I
Let's
have. Yeah.
let's welcome Aditi live on Instagram.
Hi, everyone.
So
Okay. So
Aditi,
this has been, yeah. I think there has been a great confusion because all my fans and all, they're waiting me live in my page, I guess.
okay, right. I think it's the same thing. I think right now you're live on your page only.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I
So
I have no idea. Oh my God.
everybody can watch
Cool,
you
perfect.
live. Aftab is there. Filmi Gyan. Say hi to Aftab. He's
Where
writing.
is he? I can't see him online. Hi, hi, Saman. Oh, this is so cool. We can even use filters and all. My goodness.
oh yes,
Okay.
you can definitely go for all your girly filters and some nice filters. So Aditi is live right now from Nepal. She stays in Nepal, and so Aditi is a Nepali star there, a big star there,
Oh God, shut up, shut up.
and she is doing great everywhere. In fact, बहुत सारे गाने I'm sure आपने देखे होंगे जिसमें अदिति फीचर हुई है. बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे गाने, रफ्तार के गाने हैं, मिलिंद गाबा के गाने हैं. And Aditi, apart from all that, Aditi is my very dearest friend, and I think one of my first friends of Bombay. अभी तक हमारी इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती रही है, and we're always there for each other.
Yeah, right.
So Aditi,
Thank you for your kind words, Steven.
let's
Okay,
make
this
it
feels great
interesting.
actually. Yeah,
What?
let's do it.
Let's make
No,
it
I'm
interesting, of
live for
course.
the first time, so I'm like so confused. I don't know what's going on.
That's fine. I know you're not very Instagram friendly,
Do you
but
like okay, yeah. I
okay,
want
keep
to
posting.
remove this filter. Okay, whatever, let it be.
Yeah, you can try different filters.
Cool. No, let it be, let it be. So what are you doing?
Okay, so I'm doing great. Someone is asking, Aditi, how was your experience working in Hawa Banke song?
Oh, I think it was amazing. Like Darshan Rawal, he's a very good singer. We all know that. And yeah, it was great working with him. I would like to work with him again.
Oh, superb. And how was it with working with Milind Gaba?
Milind Gava, it was amazing. I love him. I mean, as a singer, he's very good and he's a good friend as well. So yeah, both of them are amazing.
Right. I think all your friends want to hear Hindi from you.
What?
Yeah, I think a lot of I think people here want to hear Hindi. They say, why are you speaking
Okay.
in
So you
English?
start and then I'm gonna reply to you.
Okay, Aditi. So let's bring on few questions to each other before
All right.
before people get bored and they like disappear. So let's go on.
Okay. We can do that. Yeah.
Okay. So Aditi, tell us about your last film which you have done in Nepal. I think which was shot in Australia. I remember it was shot somewhere abroad, and I think it released.
No, we shot one song in Scotland, but rest of the movie we shot in Nepal only. Yeah.
Oh, Nepal itself.
Uh, hmm?
So the film has
Actually,
come
it was
out.
my first movie, Cree. Already, it's already there on YouTube. You can watch it, but I'm sure you can't understand. It's a Nepali language, no?
Oh, it's a Nepali language, but still
Yeah,
you can talk about it. You can tell people so that whenever they come live or whenever they come on YouTube or go on YouTube, they can hear it and see it.
yeah. You can watch my Nepali movie, Cree. Or like I think most of my Nepali fans they have already watched it. But for Indian fans, I don't think they'll be able to understand because it's in Nepali language. But still, you can watch it.
Yes. So somebody is asking, Aditi ma'am, how close to you as a singer? वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? मतलब how close you are to me? That's what they're asking. How do we know each other, Aditi? They're asking. Okay. And how close we are to
I
each
think
other?
you are one of my first friend in Bombay, no? Like among first few friends, you are one of them. How did we meet? Through common friend
Yes,
who
actually,
we
common
don't
friend.
talk. I think who we
I think
don't
all our
talk to
common friends
anymore.
have disappeared. But we still exist for each other.
He is yeah, vanished.
Okay, now somebody is
Are
writing
you
Nepali.
Nepali,
Please just read
Aditi?
it.
Yes, I'm Nepali.
Yes. Aditi has a mixed look of a foreigner, Nepali, Indian. I think all of the looks, huh? Aditi, what do you say? What do you say
Do
about
I?
it?
I don't think so.
सेवन आपसे जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है वो तो बताइए क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है चलिए कम ऑन लेट्स ब्रिंग ऑन द क्वेश्चंस वी आर रेडी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस
I'm live
Aditi
for
let's
the
go and
first
answer the
time
questions
with
okay
this is something. Steven, okay. When is your next song releasing?
okay my next song I think would be releasing just right after the quarantine when it finishes I think there's a film song and it's a film I think you all will get to hear it soon and there's a single also I think which will be there soon for you guys so
Nice.
yeah just waiting
I'll
for the
teach you how to speak in Nepali, Steven,
oh
because
wow
I can see it. Yeah.
I think that will be superb.
So, so like simple, what are you doing? Timi ke गरिरहेछौ? Say
Oh my
तिमी
god
के गरिरहेछौ?
you have to go a little more slow. What is it?
तिमी के
Tini ke
गरिरहेछौ?
Goi
गरिरहेछौ.
Razo. Goi
Yeah.
Razo.
गरिरहेछौ.
Oh ho 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 ho. Goi Razo, right? I said it right.
But you have been to Nepal, right? Did you
Yeah.
learn some words?
Nepal. I think I recently went to Nepal. I think, but I have not learned a
Hmm.
lot of things there. But I've enjoyed there like anything. I think मुझे और मैंने याद भी करता भूल गया हूँ अभी तक. I think
भूल
क्या याद
गए.
कर
Okay.
Yeah. But Nepal is so beautiful. I think to all my friends in India, I think I have to tell you that I recently went for my Nepal tour and I went to a lot of places, Kathmandu there and और कहाँ पे गया
You
था?
went Pokhara also, I guess.
Yeah, Pokhara also.
Pokhara.
And so beautiful. All of these places are so beautiful and I have enjoyed a lot going there. And yeah, I ate a
Glad to
lot
know
of
that.
momos in Nepal. A lot of momos. My
Hmm. You told me,
British
yeah.
writing, only eating momos in Nepal. Yeah. So you tell me, what is the best you like in Nepal, Aditi?
I I like everything about Nepal, first of all, and the best would be weather. Weather's pretty good,
I agree.
and people are amazing. Food, everything.
Okay, Rahul is there who's writing saying bye.
Hi.
You know, Rahul.
Okay, so
Rahul is a
someone.
superb choreographer. Superb choreographer. I think behind all the hit songs, all of the hit
Ah,
songs I know. Yeah, one of my favorites all time. Yes,
amazing.
yes. Of course, I'll do it.
So, I think
बाकी अदिति.
few people wants me to speak in Hindi.
Yeah,
तो शुरू करें?
yeah. Rahul is saying hi to you.
Hi Rahul, how are you? कैसे हो आप? क्या कर रहे हो?
Said,
मेरी हिंदी इतनी बुरी नहीं है, Steven, that you're laughing.
oh
मैं बहुत
right.
अच्छी
No, no,
तरह
no.
से बात
It's
कर
very
सकती हूँ.
nice. आपकी हिंदी
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छी है. I know.
हाँ, मुझे पता है अच्छी है.
हम तो वैसे भी जनरली वी टॉक इन हिंदी ओनली राइट हम तो हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं
हाँ, हाँ.
okay Aditi so now tell us
Yeah.
about what do you love most in India?
In India,
Yeah.
first is food for sure. I love Indian food so much. And I think Indian culture is very similar to Nepali culture. That's another thing I like the most. And I love people out there. For me, they have been very warm and welcoming, you know. They have given me a lot of love and support. And I really appreciate that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think,
India is like my second home now. It's Bombay is my second home now. So
yeah, it's always like that. I think India has always been welcoming. And of
yeah,
course,
it
yeah, I
is.
think Nepal and India, there's always, I think, is always moving. यहाँ पे इधर उधर जाना आना. I think everybody likes
Yeah.
it,
We have connection. Yeah, right, right.
and it's easy for all
What
of us.
about you? Do you
Okay,
miss Bhopal sometimes?
of course I miss Bhopal, yaar. I mean, अपना hometown, everybody misses. So I think, uh, definitely after I think all this quarantine gets over, I would love to go to Bhopal and meet my family out there because they're all there. And also my lot of friends are there. And obviously अपना शहर अपना होता है ना. There's a very different feeling when
Right,
you go.
right.
And I'm sure
Absolutely.
that like when you work here and people know that you work here for a long time, and then when you go back after six months to Nepal, right?
Uh-huh.
So I'm sure
No,
you
I
miss
go to
your city.
Nepal very often. I travel Nepal in every 2, 3 months. Like
Oh,
whenever I feel like going, I travel. Yeah,
okay. So Aditi,
6 months.
also I have few more interesting questions for you. Like
Okay.
it's randomly coming in my mind. I've not honestly prepared anything,
All right.
but lot of Aditi's friends know that Aditi is so much into brands, and she loves to wear like some like great brands, of course, nice brands like Gucci, Prada, and
Oh
all of
God.
that. Yeah. So let's go on,
Me or
and
you? Me or you?
so Aditi, you have to tell me your 5 favorite brands which you like to carry generally, whatever. All your favorite 5 brands.
Favorite brands. So that can be anything, right?
Yeah.
From clothing to skincare,
Yes.
anything.
Anything.
I like Dior, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and in makeup also, like I love Estee Lauder. Did I do right? Yeah, even I like Prada as well, but I don't have any product from Prada yet. So
Yeah.
maybe in future.
Okay. So someone is asking, Aditi, what do you do in these days? How is your quarantine going?
I'm having a good time with my family right now, but at times it's really boring. I want to go out. I want to work. You know, I never thought I'll miss shooting. You know, I'll miss work. So, but yeah, we should stay in and guys, stay safe. Don't step out of your house.
Okay, now Jia Singhania is asking me, do you like brand only Stebin? So it's with me, it's like I can wear anything. Honestly, whatever I get, I like to wear. I'm not
Really,
very.
Steven, I don't think so. You're very brand conscious. Shut up.
I think these days I've just gone into brands. Otherwise, I've been wearing everything. But
Don't
yeah, of
lie.
course, I obviously I love to explore because when I go to Dubai and all, obviously I love to shop there in Dubai Mall and all whatever brands we
No.
get.
You shop a lot. You shop a lot.
Yeah, but I
That's
get
for sure.
inspired from Aditi in terms of fashion.
Oh, please,
Aditi is
please shut
always
up.
shopping and always in the new outfits. I don't know from where
I'm
Aditi
not
gets that
always
kind of.
shopping, please. Shut
Yeah, you're so
up.
fond of shopping, huh?
Steven, why can't I read any text?
Okay, so just click on the screen. You'll start getting it. Maybe because of the.
Oh, acha, okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Guys,
So
I'm
now can
very
we read
new
it?
to this. I'm very nervous right now, please. So sorry.
Yeah. So Saurabh Goswami is writing, looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
and
now I feel.
Malhar, my boy is there watching me. Alai, Brijesh, everybody's there. Hi from Australia.
Hello everyone, hi.
So someone is asking, Aditi, where are you now? Here in India or Nepal?
I'm in Nepal right now. I'm home.
So someone is asking, what brands are your favorite, Stebin?
Yeah,
Okay,
even I would like to know.
honestly, there are not many brands which I really like to go on. So you can say, obviously, Gucci definitely, which I think I love to see Gucci, and because there are a lot of good collections they have actually. But I really don't have a lot of Gucci outfits actually. So I think you can say Gucci definitely, and I
But you
think
have a lot of Gucci shoes, I guess. I've seen you
I think
wearing them.
yeah, few of them, and बाकी rest I think in Bombay in generally ऐसे पहनने regular पहनने के लिए तो I think I definitely go with Zara and
Same,
H&M.
same, Zara. Me too.
H&M, Zara हो गए, and these are
Zara
really
and
really
H&M. Yeah.
yeah, you can definitely go with these ones, and so बहुत अच्छे हैं and बहुत varieties मिल जाती है actually, and honestly in India you don't really get a lot of collection in Gucci and all because you have to go for online, otherwise you have to go abroad for bigger brands.
Right.
Also, then I do street
Hi,
shopping also.
Sam. Sam is my manager in Toab. She's like,
Oh,
Aditi.
superb, superb, superb. Hi to Sam. So yeah, Aditi signed with Toab, right? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Aditi, tell us your experience with Toab. How's everything going?
With Toab, I think they're pretty good. One of the best agency in
Yes,
Bombay.
definitely.
And they are like a family, very good to me.
I know. I've heard so much about. Okay, what is
So what
your
do you do
favorite?
all day, Kevin? Yeah.
Okay, I honestly, I get up, I cook my breakfast, and I cook my meals, lunch, everything. I have to wash my
Uh-huh.
utensils, and then I have to practice also. I have to follow the diet, and I have to practice my
Oh,
music
right.
all the time. So I'm always jamming on guitar, always watching. I don't really watch much of the series or something, but yeah, mostly into music. I play piano, I play keys, and I'll play my guitar. I'll keep singing. And these days, I've started going live also frequently. Oh, that's okay. I think everybody, I'm sure, is doing cooking and cleaning and everything. I'm sure because सबको अभी
Yeah,
करना
I'm
पड़
doing
रहा है.
the same.
And
I'm
it's
doing
it's
the
all
same.
right. I think अच्छा है सब लोगों ने सिखा दिया होगा. Okay, so Aditi, are you watching any series or anything right now?
Series, not really. I'm just watching any random movies that's there in Netflix, but series not yet.
Okay.
How about you?
I was actually watching Money Heist, and I've
Oh, acha, how
really
is it?
started loving Money Heist, but it took me a lot of time because बहुत time देना पड़ता है Money Heist को तो. So I
Yeah.
finished
Even I feel like I'll
two
watch it
parts.
and I was too bored to watch it.
But you can actually, it's very interesting. It's so much fun. So I think I
But
finished
so
watching it when
long.
the quarantine, I think lockdown started only. That's when I started watching it, and I finished two parts. And the third part में आके मैं फिर रुक गया. उसके बाद से I got so occupied with my music and everything, so I've not got time to watch it.
Acha.
So what are you watching on Netflix right now? What do you watch?
Any random movies, whatever is there, any,
Okay,
literally.
superb. So what kind of movies do you like to watch? It's mostly Nepali, Indian, Bollywood, or Hollywood?
Um, Anything, yeah, like it depends on my mood. Sometimes I feel like watching Hollywood movies, sometimes Bollywood. But right now, I think I'm watching mostly Hollywood movies.
Hollywood movies.
And recently, I've started watching Nepali movie as well with my parents, and it's quite interesting because before I hadn't watched a lot of Nepalese movies.
Yeah.
So yeah, now I have started.
Okay. So also, let me ask you a few funny questions. I like fun questions. Generally, I always ask my friends, whoever I'm coming live with. So, if given a
Okay.
chance to to feature in a big film and cast a actor with you, which actor would you like to cast with you, opposite you, male actor?
You mean in Bollywood, Hollywood, or Collywood, Nepali
First, you have to
movies?
tell me Bollywood.
Bollywood. I think I like Ranbir Kapoor. So yeah, Ranbir Kapoor.
Superb. And which one in Hollywood?
I've always been a huge fan of Tom Cruise, but always a little old, but yeah, Tom Cruise.
Okay. And
And
your industry?
mm, since only worked with Anmol, so yeah, Anmol.
I think, yeah. Right. What do you call Nepali industry basically? What is the name with it, for it?
Collywood, Collywood.
Kollywood. Oh, superb. So, what are your plans after this quarantine gets over, Aditi?
My plans. I don't mind working because I'm here in Nepal for my movie shoot, for another movie shoot. So maybe we'll start shooting, or I might come back to Bombay for a while. So let's see. No plans yet, seriously.
Okay.
Ouch! What is it?
So you have a pet also. You love. I think you love. You're very pet friendly. I think you love to play with the pets a lot.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. What pet do you have?
You saw my little angel, right? I
Yes.
post a lot of videos and stories. Yeah. I think she is in my mom's room.
Okay. Super. Also, guys, you can bring on your questions before till the
Oh,
time we are
yeah.
live again. So we would love to answer your questions.
I'm so
And of
sorry, I'm
course,
moving a lot.
it's all right. And lots of love to all the fan pages. I think of Aditi's fan pages, and I think all my fan pages as also because I think you
You
guys are
guys
super.
are amazing. Thank you so much for your love and support. Love you all.
Are you having a good time in Nepal? Of course, I'm sure she's
Of
having the
course, I
best time.
am. Yeah. Best time.
It's her
Right.
hometown, I'm sure. Somebody's asking when are you coming to Amritsar again? Have you been to Amritsar, or is that question for me?
Oh, Amritsar. I think it's for you.
Okay, I think I recently went to Amritsar. Yeah, I think I'm gonna come again very soon because my last show went really well, and I think I'm sure after this show I'll get few more shows. And obviously, I'm waiting to go again for India tour where I could come to you, come to your city, come to your college campus where I can perform for you guys.
My
Okay, now.
friend, someone called me Nakkali. I don't believe it. She called me Yasu Nakkali.
Aditi ma'am, when are you playing in Kollywood? I think she's already played a film in Kollywood. I think you guys should watch it.
Okay, let me also see some few questions. Aditi is a shopaholic. Aditi Di, you should often come live. I'll try. I'll try.
Yeah, so someone is writing basis Neha, favorite place in Bhopal. I think Bhopal, I'll say Kaliasod Dam and Kairwa Dam because all of these dams are my favorite. Because सारे dams के पास जाना और ये lakes मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Shahpura Lake also. So today it's Varun Dhawan's birthday. Aditi, would you like to wish Varun Dhawan?
Yeah, happy birthday, Varun Dhawan. You are amazing and very good looking man.
We are missing your performances. I'm missing it as well. The weather is not too hot, right, in Nepal? Someone is asking you.
Oh, no, no, not at all. In fact, it's quite cold right now.
Oh,
And it's been raining almost every day.
okay. How was your tour to Siliguri? Yeah, it was great. Wow, what a beautiful place. I love going there. I remember I was performing there in a college festival. So I generally go in the colleges and festivals. So I think I would like to say that I had a great show in Nepal also. So I hope I come back in Nepal and I perform for all of you. And this time Aditi will be on the stage with me
Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there for sure.
and performing with me as well.
Pakka.
So I think I came to Lord of the Drinks, Kathmandu. My first show was there, and then there was another show in Pokhara. There's a lot of Aditi fans out here. They're saying Aditi is your favorite. Aditi is their favorite.
What happened?
Seven, have you come to Mauritius? No,
Can
I
you
have
hear
not been.
me?
Yeah, Aditi, I can hear you. Is it fine? All fine with you there? So I think Aditi will be joining us again. जब तक Thank you guys. Thank you very much. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Let's get her back. She must be waiting for us to go live again. Oh, where is Aditi? Wait. Where is Aditi? Yeah, she's there. Did you listen to Bari? Oh yeah, I love that song. Isha, what's up? How you been?
Yeah,
Aditi is back. What's up,
I'm
Aditi?
back. Sorry, guys, my internet connection is so bad.
Oh, that's all right. That's okay. That's completely fine. So Aditi, would you like to tell us about a few projects you are doing these days, or what anything you can reveal about the project?
So, like I told you before, I'm again doing another Nepali movie. I
Yeah,
can't reveal name right now because we haven't gone public about it. But
yeah.
due to this whole lockdown, it's postponed it for like few months, I guess.
Oh,
Let's
it's
see.
gonna come out soon after the quarantine happens.
No, we need to shoot first, no?
All right, all right. The
Yeah.
shoots are going on. Okay, Aditi, which singer would you like to work with? Because you have worked with a lot of singers and you've done a lot of music videos. So, which singer would you
Yeah.
like to work with now? Oh, that is the definitely
Obviously
happening.
with
That
my dear friend Steven.
That
Who
we are
else?
definitely doing, and I'm sure it will be so much of fun because Aditi और हम लोग जब भी मिलते हैं हम लोग इतनी इतनी पागलों वाली हरकतें करते हैं. We are so funny. That is why
Yeah.
that's the most common thing in both of us, that we are so funny and our humor is like very same.
I'm
चलो,
not so funny. Huh.
apart from me, who which singer would you like to work with?
I think Arman Malik. I love him. I think he's a great singer. I mean, I love him as a singer. Huh?
Oh yeah,
So yeah,
superb.
Arman.
Indore is waiting for you. Yeah, I'm gonna come live soon with for you all my Indori friends out there. Hello guys, love and care from Canada. Goes back to you. So Aditi,
Yeah.
let's go on. Let's talk about. I'll ask you a few questions about me only. How much do you know me?
Oh God. Okay.
So you have to tell everyone. I think which is my biggest hit song.
Okay. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है एंड रुला के गया इश्क तेरा.
Whoa! Now that's great.
Yeah.
Aditi knows.
Yeah.
Aditi knows. मैंने अदिति को बिल्कुल भी पैसे नहीं खिलाए हैं इस जवाब को देने के लिए. अदिति. So Aditi, good
See,
job.
I'm such a good friend.
And when did I started my live shows? Like you can tell me. Like कब चालू किया था? ऐसी.
Live shows.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll wait. Maybe 3 years back.
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
I think I
Right?
remember because I used to invite you.
Yeah, you used to. I
And Aditi
remember.
has just been for few shows only. I think just 1 or 2 shows. Aditi has not been for a lot of shows actually, but she has
Yeah.
come for a few of my.
But
shows.
I'll come. I'll come. I'll come for your next show for sure.
Okay, now Stebin, please try something new Nepali songs. You have lots of Nepali fan following from India. Oh, super.
Yeah.
Oh God, I didn't know that. I'll
Your
definitely.
your song, this Rula Ke Gaya Ishq Tera, is so famous out in Nepal. Like I heard in a lot of places here. Literally.
Oh, I think Rolake Gash. Yeah, I think it has reached because I get a lot of TikTok videos from Nepal, and I always love to see all the videos. You know, I think if you guys are also making videos on Rolake Gash, don't forget to tag me so that I can repost it, and if I really like it, I'm definitely gonna promote it as well. So make your videos on Rulake Guys and what are the songs of mine you like.
You are there on TikTok, right?
I
But
have
you're not
recently. Oh, I'm not active on TikTok. I've just made my
you're not
account.
active. Yeah.
Yeah, I just only post the videos of my shows and all. I've never made any video
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
because I think I'm really good in I'm really good in doing my work singing.
I
Apart
have
from
just
that,
started using it. It's so difficult to use. Like I still need to figure out how to use it.
but I'm sure you'll do great there because I'm sure all your friends, fans, everybody is waiting to watch you there.
But I'm just doing this on my free time right now. But I don't know if I'll be like very active. Let's see.
So Aditi, क्या बनाया घर पे आज?
घर पे today.
Yes.
घर का खाना I guess I had dal, rice, vegetables in morning.
And
उसके
can
बाद
you
कुछ
cook
खाया
anything?
नहीं है.
Do you know anything to
Me.
cook? Yeah.
Um, I know how to cook paneer, and I've learned how to bake healthy pizza.
Ooh.
And I can make some simple, like normal vegetables, but I'm not a great cook at all. I'm
Yeah,
learning.
alright guys. For people who don't know Aditi very अच्छे से, तो मैं I'll tell you that Aditi is very diet conscious. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
Am I?
whenever I've met her, she's always had green tea, and Aditi doesn't drink at all, like at all. मतलब she can't even take
Yeah,
one sip of anything. Also, Aditi is a foodie. She likes to eat a lot of things also, I think.
yeah, I eat a lot. Big
Yeah,
time foodie.
yeah. But diet conscious also. I think she will only
But
get
you
fruits.
are diet conscious, not me. I am eating everything right now. Everything.
Really?
Literally. Yeah,
Yeah, I think I am now becoming the diet conscious because I think now I
yeah.
have to get back in a get in a
Same,
good
same.
shape.
Even I have to start from tomorrow or day after. I have to.
Oh,
You
that's
are
great.
helping me out, right?
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna help you out. Aditi, please come at Indore and Bhopal with Stebin. What do you have to say about it?
For sure, I'll come soon someday. I would love to.
So just Jia Singhania is asking Stebin आज क्या बनाया है? आज मैंने थोड़ा सा राइस लेके उसके अंदर कुछ वेजिटेबल्स डाल के एक छोटा सा ऐसा बनाया है पुलाव टाइप का एंड आई हैव कुक चिकन एंड लॉट ऑफ सैलेड. I have started eating a lot of salad these days. I think it's very important. मुझे पता चल गया कितना जरूरी है.
Very health conscious, huh?
Yeah, and Aditi, we have seen you making a lot of videos with your dad, with your father. How is it? How
Just
is it to
one
make
video.
videos? And he looks so much fun, na? Every time he's equally good in making videos with you.
Yeah, actually, my parents both are like my friend. And my dad, he loves all this. He loves taking pictures, videos, but especially with me. So, yeah, he does whatever I tell him to do.
Someone is asking, please share receipt of protein cakes, Stebin. Oh God, protein cake का recipe share करूँगा. Palak, my friend, is there out there joined. Stebin, please come to
Let me
Pune.
also read some comments, yeah.
Yeah, you should read. Abhijit is there watching. A lot of my friends are.
Aditi, tell us about your favorite Indian food. My favorite is South Indian food, idli dosa. I love idli dosa a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do. You didn't know that?
Idli dosa. Oh, I didn't know. I really didn't know. Great. We have something in common. We can definitely eat idli dosa together.
For sure.
Okay. If we dedicate a song to Aditi, which song would you sing for her? Oh, Aditi के लिए तो I'll sing
Oh,
all.
yeah, I
I
would
think a
love
lot of songs.
to
Yeah, I think
hear you
you know
singing.
Aditi has been one of the friends who's always been there to my
Yeah.
for my all of the things. I think from the time she's been there, she's always been there.
Even
I
you
think
have been there for
I'll
me.
sing a good friendship song for her, of all my heart. But right now, I think the problem is why I generally don't sing when I come live because
Yeah.
when two people are coming live, it's not very clearly audible the voice.
Oh, acha.
Yeah, it
Okay.
breaks a
I,
lot.
I
That is
didn't
why
know
I stopped
that.
coming. But still, I'll sing this song.
All right.
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन करेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, ओ तेरा यार हूँ मैं, ओ तेरा यार हूँ मैं।
Thank
So
you
that
so
would
much,
be the
Kevin.
right
Oh my God,
song
I feel
for
so
my
special.
for my
Literally.
very dearest
Thanks a
friend.
lot.
Oh,
You are
wait,
an amazing man. You have such a good voice.
so yeah, let's go on with the questions again. So guys, last 10 minutes we are live. Please put on your questions.
Well, I have one question for you.
Okay.
How long did you take to fix your hair?
Oh, my hair. I think, see, honestly, when I know I have a lot of time, so I would really experiment and I would take a lot of time. I take at least 10 minutes for sure. But when I have to get ready early, I'll just set my hair like in 2 minutes. And mostly it's, when I don't have much time also, then I'll wear a cap or something. Caps and all these help. I think it's really, really, really easy. It makes easy for men and boys like us. हम लोग के लिए easy कर
Isha
देता
is
है.
telling me. Okay, sorry. Isha is telling me waiting for you. I'm calling her since 4 years, Indore. Ah, okay. Isha, I'll visit you soon, soon, soon.
What is your grooming secret, Aditi? Someone is asking.
What?
What is your grooming secret?
Secret? I don't have any such secret yet. Hmm. Nothing, I guess.
Okay, there's nothing. There's no secrets. It's okay. It's all right.
Yeah.
भाई भोपाल आना कब हो रहा है? Someone is asking. Okay, guys. I think right after this quarantine gets over, I'll come to Bhopal. Definitely. Shraddha Jain, hi. All the 7men underscore fans and everything. Hi guys. Good to see you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Love from Jaipur. For the first time in my life, I'm reading comments. Otherwise, generally, what happens is I'm always singing, so I don't get to read comments only.
I'm so confused, like to look at it and talk to you or look at the comments.
Yeah, you can definitely look at the comments and trying to answer. See, my singing session will be afterwards. I'll come again, Aram, and I'll sing for you because it's really difficult to sing in my live sessions like this. But I'm gonna keep posting you. You guys can always DM me the songs you like. If I can sing, if I really like it, I'll definitely go for it. And these days, I'm really into singing more of originals. I'm really getting into originals because I feel सब लोग cover songs कर रहे हैं, सब लोग remakes कर रहे हैं. I really don't want to be there. I really want to make, I want to get a lot of originals. बहुत अच्छे गाने I really want you to hear.
Are you recording any song after lockdown gets over?
Of course, yeah. I'm actually just waiting because I'm really getting calls for my recordings and everything. But just that because of this quarantine, I'm not able to go out, step out, and record at the studio and all. घर पे हूँ, and in the home, घर पे वो चीजें हो ही नहीं पाता है. You have to go to the professional studios and sing.
Yeah, of course.
What is the easiest word I think in Nepali which you would like to teach us, all of us?
Sorry, can you repeat it again? I was
What
just
is
reading.
the easiest Nepali word which you can teach us?
Word. Kecha.
What is that?
Kecha. Kecha.
Kitha.
Kecha.
Okay.
Say Kecha.
Ketha.
Not bad, not bad.
I think I'll have to take sessions from you when you come back.
I'll teach you for sure.
I'll learn from you. Any upcoming movie song? Yeah, there's a movie. I can't reveal about the films actually because we're not allowed to talk about films. But you will hear a good film song just right after this quarantine gets over.
My friend Vicky is laughing at me.
Yeah, friends are always so funny. They always make sure that whenever you come live and they have to take your case, so it's fine. My
Yeah.
friends are
I'm
like that.
coming live for first time. Oh my God. Okay. But
So
I'm
Aditi is also
enjoying
coming
it.
live tonight. Yeah,
Tonight? Where? No?
are you gonna come? You're supposed to come live with some channel also, right?
Oh yeah, that's tomorrow.
That's tomorrow. That's fine. We all understand that you're not used to.
No, no, no. Actually, I'm getting calls. Just a second.
Brajesh is there watching me live. What's up, Brajesh? Thank you, Prakasha. Thank you. Yes, that's fine. I think what I've learned that whenever you have to go live, you have to put your phone on this flight mode so that people don't keep calling
Yeah,
you.
I did that. I did that. I'm getting random calls on Facebook. Like, what the hell? It's
Are
crazy.
you
And I
sure?
never get any calls on Facebook. Yeah.
Welcome back. Aditi is back. So Aditi, which is that one city which you would like to go in India, जो भी बचा हुआ है, which where you have not been?
Um, Bhopal and I
Bhopal.
want to visit Udaipur as well. Udaipur, yeah.
Oh, ho,
It's
ho,
very
ho. You have
beautiful, Udaipur. So
Bhopal and
beautiful.
Udaipur both are very beautiful actually.
Huh. Yeah,
And I've
right.
heard that both are city of lakes. You say like city of lakes. Both the cities are known as city of lakes because they have
I
lakes.
love Rajasthan. It's so beautiful, man. I love
Yeah, yeah,
Jaipur.
yeah.
It's one of my favorite city.
Which is one place you would like to go on your destination? Like you can say favorite destination vacation.
Greece?
Which favorite country or city you would like to go out abroad out of India?
I really want to go to Paris and Greece. Yeah. How about you?
Paris and Greece. I think these. I think Greece only. I think because I've been looking to go to Greece for a
Hannah?
very long time,
Yeah.
but I have not got any single show there. Though my work takes me to places.
Yeah, you travel
My
a
sister
lot.
is there, Sarah.
Hi,
Hello,
Sarah.
love.
How are you?
You remember that?
Yeah, of course I do. I met her.
Yes. All right, guys. So we're gonna be signing off in like another 2 5 minutes. Please, if you have some
Yeah.
questions, do send that. For Aditi, what's happening, love? Where are you? कहाँ पर हो आप? So okay, I call my sister Love because उनका घर का नाम Love है.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. उनका उनका घर का नाम Love है. So everybody calls her.
Someone is
So
telling
yeah,
you,
my singing.
Steven, can you please? Huh.
Can you sing what?
Pia, oh re
What
Pia.
is that? I'm gonna do all these sessions, but I don't know if you can hear it. Chala, let me just sing a few lines. Oh, truly लब से आंखों को रौनक है सारी तुमसे ही
Thank you, Sarah.
तुम मिले जहां मेरा जहां है वहां मन्नतें पूरी तुमसे ही पिया ओ रे पिया पिया रे पिया रे पिया पिया रे पिया पिया रे पिया रे पिया. That's all for now.
Oh my God, you're amazing.
I don't know if it's really clearly audible because that's what I've observed when two people coming live together, the voice is generally not very clear.
No, but I can hear it clearly.
You could hear easily, clearly.
Yeah, it's clear, yeah.
Superb.
You have got so many fan page, huh?
Oh, I think it's yeah. I think these people are too sweet. I
Yeah, they're very sweet.
I think I really wish I could do something crazy for them and I can give them a super gift soon. कुछ ऐसा कुछ करूँ उन सबके लिए जो उनको पसंद
Yeah,
है.
you can plan to meet them. You
Yeah.
can do a
See,
small
I
get together.
travel to a lot of cities. But I still don't get to meet. I hope I get more concerts so that I can meet everybody. I think everybody, all of you guys. Will you ever do
I'm
a
trying.
convention in Melbourne, Australia, Aditi?
Um, I haven't been to Australia yet, but I think I might this year because I have been invited for a few events. So yeah, I might.
Superb,
My
Aditi.
friend, yeah. Hi, Sastika. I didn't know you're my huge fan.
All right, Aditi. What are your plans for the
Okay.
day?
So after this, I need to record a small video. It's an interview video online for an online channel. So yeah, after that, nothing else. Maybe I'll eat something. I'm hungry.
Yeah, I think you better go and eat and keep coming live. I think because I'm sure your friends and fans they love to see you live. So keep coming live.
Yeah, guys, this is my first time and I know I'm horrible. Next time, I'll try to be perfect. I'm
Yeah,
just
guys, you
very
have to
shy
help
right
her
now. I don't know
getting
what to say.
Instagram friendly because so it will be easier for her to come live for you guys.
Now I'll keep on coming live. Yeah.
Superb, guys. I hope you had a great time. We had great time joining you guys and great time answering all your questions. And I think बहुत टाइम बाद मैं लोगों से पर्सनली बात कर पा रहा हूँ लोगों के कमेंट्स पढ़ के. अभी अदरवाइज तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है कमेंट्स पढ़ना.
Yeah,
Alright,
thank you
guys.
so much, guys, for joining us.
Thank
And
you very
thank you so
much.
much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Lots of love. Take
Okay,
care.
Aditi. See you soon. Keep in touch.
Okay, bye. See you soon, Steven. I'll
Bye. See
WhatsApp
you.
you. Bye
Yep.
bye. How do